thank you again for watching. Today is December 19th, 2019. I don't know what order the videos will come out in, but we just finished working an overturned trash truck for a customer, and we've got another customer waiting on us. He has a skid steer stuck in his backyard. So we are rolling over there now. It's just me. I let Dad and Austin there taking the trash truck into the shop, and I'm by myself, so we're gonna go down here and see if we can help get this guy out of his backyard and get him back to work. He's got a Bobcat T300 skid steer that's stuck in the mud, and hopefully we can get him out pretty quick. So we'll see when we get there. Turn the helmet cam back on. Stay tuned. Ooh. Oh man, soft there.
Oh, you get that hole?
Yeah.
Yeah, this stuff here, man, I've had them guys run two of them. That's a little bigger. I got a 7/16.
That's 7/16 right there. It's been pulled down.
Okay, well that's what I got. And that stuff's about $600, ain't it?
Yeah.
I've had to put two of them on my chip, but the guy tell me, hey, I said, put that thing before you let the limbs go, they'll pull a top. Pulling the line out while it's chipping, and it'll take the Snapchat thing and it'll take it all the way off that wheel.
Yeah. I try to be careful with it.
I've had to buy two of them. We used to have a steel cable on it, and that thing done about $3,500 damage to the chipper. It got wrapped up on it.
Right.
And so they started going to this, but they used to use them old, steel cable on it. This is a lot safer though.
Yeah, I've got extension pieces. It makes it so much easier.
Yes, sir.
When you're going down in the woods. You want to take that, we'll wrap it around that tree over there.
Okay, sure.
And I'll use these to hook to it. Yeah.
If it looks like it's going to pull it, we stop and we'll have to go up there and get one.
Just come back to a basket. Just bring both points out.
Oh, you want a basket? Okay.
Yeah, that's strongest point.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah, I'll pull this off. Wrong side. Yeah, we'll try it here on this low side.
There.
Yeah, I'm gonna flip it right over that grapple right
Okay.
towards that side.
Up. I'll make sure nothing.
Yeah, we'll make sure nothing's gonna hit.
Put the graphic down with the frame. Y'all had the big wrecker over there, didn't you, pushing that over?
I had that single axle of mine.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Y'all just run a lot, don't you? About more in.
Yeah, I love that truck.
That's a good truck.
It does a little bit of everything. I mean, it's so versatile.
Right.
Now, what size Bobcat is that? Is that what T model is that?
300.
I've got a 320.
Oh yeah, that's the biggest one during
Yeah.
that time that they made. Sitting over there at,
John Currents. Yeah, that's mine.
What you gonna do with that? Just use it.
Use it for wrecks and things like that.
Yeah, oh man.
Off-road
That's right.
stuff that can go off-road and everything.
Yeah, oh yeah. Hold on. Wire here. Hold on, let me see that. Look at that. Yes, sir, it'd be good for that. I've used this one here. I've pulled people out, all kind of stuff with this thing.
All right, we got an issue here. I'm gonna take that hook off and I'm gonna run these other ropes out there to that.
Okay.
That way we get off that grapple.
I can set this buckle actually set down.
Okay. Yeah, but we might have,
For the rope for it.
we might have to raise it up. I got these sitting right here.
Okay.
We'll run these.
Just kind of put them in there and hook it into that.
Yeah.
You like me, I don't like to buy stuff at one time.
These are cheaper replacing that.
Get you doggone right.
Yeah, that'll come out right there perfect.
Yep.
See, it's got a little, there you
see,
go.
you know, need a little different tree work blocks and hooks.
Yeah, those are made where they don't come unhooked.
Right, that's
They're
I
not.
like that. That's where I was going. I said, I'm gonna go get some blocks. Who got all that stuff? I got some stainless steel 3/4 box.
Yeah.
We can have all that.
Yeah, I probably got more than I need.
Right.
If I see a deal on it, I buy it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not kind of like that. Probably got to get this bucket out because it's sitting
All
on
right.
the ground.
Yeah, and we'll spin it a little bit.
I got to go get hip replacement on the tent.
Oh,
I'm hurting, man.
yeah, that's not making it any easier, is it?
No. That's probably. Yeah, I left it. Well, it wasn't too bad coming out. Getting in. Okay.
Yeah, not to fall on it.
Oh, yeah.
Try walking forward a little bit. Try walking. Oh yeah. Pull right up out of there. Let's make sure, let's go on forward with it. That way you're almost out of this hole right here. Let's walk a little bit further forward.
Okay.
Just go ahead and push that rock.
I'll push it.
All right, that's good there. Whew.
I didn't know. I said, you know, that's a lot of. I know the wreckers pull it, but I'm thinking, you know, that thing's stuck like
Yeah.
that. That's not an easy.
Well, those running helps a lot. I've done them before when they're dead, and it's a bear to get them out when they're dead.
Yeah, no, I knew you had to have it. Yeah, it was better.
It was buried though.
Oh, it's I'm gonna definitely get that. Robin Ho's gonna come over here and fill this in for me. Yeah, he had been hurting me. I said, man, I got. He said, I'll come over and run that Bobcat. You know, Robin Ho used to teach the building down there at York.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He comes and helps you out.
Oh, we work together. I got my sawmill stuff set up at his house. Now I moved up there off of Queens there. I've been moved over there for over a year, but I just got.
We'll get that unhooked over there, and then we'll just pull this back.
This thing is. How's that work there?
I'll get it.
But you. Here,
We're
okay.
gonna hook that side.
I tell you, you can't find nobody to work anymore.
No.
And that's Robin's 63, I'm 58, and we got a boy with us at work. He's 19. He's a good kid. You don't know Buster, he's a good worker, got a good attitude. You don't find him like that.
No, nobody wants to work anymore.
No. Let me pick this up so you don't get that mud all over the road. Hey, good. I thought that was your house up there. I go by it 3 times a day. Well, I'm right down there behind you. I'm back there on Mr. Ho's property. I think his property touches your property. Yeah. Just checking on you, see how you doing. That's good, brother. I'm hearing good things from this church. Well, yeah. Okay, brother. Well, y'all make sure y'all put a little more food in there. You know, I'm a big boy. I got to eat now. I know it. Okay, bro. What time does that start? Y'all gonna do Sunday school? Y'all gonna do Sunday school? Sunday? What's that? 9:30. Well, that sounds good. Well, I'll see you over there. I'll come over to Sunday school. Look forward to seeing you, brother. Okay, my man. You have a good day, okay? And we'll see you Sunday. Okay. All right. Okay. Bye-bye. You know Miss Bowles?
Yeah.
Up there, huh? Yeah, hey.
Twist.
Now what you got in there? Is that sorbent in the can? Is that what you? Or just
That one, this one's trash. It's full of trash right now.
Glass and stuff.
Yeah, the Highway Patrol makes us have all that.
Oh yeah.
I'm about to get a little bit of a running start out of here.
Okay. Well, I got Bobcat and I can put it out.
Yeah, now we got it out. That's what I figured. We got that in the dump truck sitting
Yes,
there. We
sir.
can get, I've got a front winch on this truck.
Yeah.
This is the one we use for off-road stuff. I tell people all the time, I say, I'm gonna get this record for off-road, and everybody says, yeah, that's a lie.
Oh,
so you know, you take care of your trucks too much. You're not gonna put them off-road.
Y'all got nice equipment. I tell you, take care of your stuff.
That's why I want that Bobcat. That Bobcat be perfect to walk off in the woods and grab something.
Oh yeah. Man, I bought that Bobcat through the show 3,000 hours. That thing ain't never left me sitting. I bought one water pump for that thing. I rebuilt the cylinders on it.
I've always heard the worst part of a Bobcat's electronics.
Yeah,
When the electronics get problems, that's the worst thing you could have.
That's exactly right. Especially you got one right there where it burned up and you got to go in and rewire.
Yeah. That's what I told John. I said, John, let's just buy a whole iron harness. That way we don't have to mess with that.
Right. Yeah. Hey, man, appreciate you,
No
man.
problem.
Appreciate y'all getting out here to me.
Hey, it took so long. It
Well,
just,
like I say, you know, it ain't cost me nothing because I ain't working nobody today.
Yeah.
It was a perfect day for it to happen.
That's
I
right.
had some other things to do.
better have on your own property than somebody else's.
Yeah, that's right. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, hey, it took so long. But
That
Highway
stuff
Patrol,
don't happen on jobs. I don't
Yeah.
have stuff like this happen. I'm careful on when I go to somebody else's and
Yeah.
have my own place.
right.
You know?
On a non-paying job, it's gonna happen.
Yeah.
All right,
All right, buddy. Thank you. Hey, Merry Christmas.
you too. I believe we left some ruts back there, but that's pretty good. We got it out successfully. He's back to working at his house. So we're going to ease on back to the shop. Guys, thank you again for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you thought about that recovery. And that was kind of a different job. It wasn't that hard. It wasn't that difficult. It was so soupy that he had to have a little bit of help to walk him out of there. But with those skid steers, they can pretty much walk out of anywhere. They don't really need that much help unless they're buried like that one was. But we got them out. We just helped that low side pull a little bit harder. So again, thank you for watching. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you thought. And most importantly, God bless.